Hey everyone, this is an interactive video lesson about long division. All right, so what I want you to do is come over here and grab a pen. You can choose a color. All right, so our first problem we have is 372 divided by 6. So I want to know how many groups of 6 there are in 372. Okay, so the 6 is the divisor. That's going to go on the outside. Okay, and the 372 is the dividend. That goes on the inside, just like this. All right. Now, the way you do traditional long division, all right, you first say is, can 6 go into 3? Okay? And the answer is no. So I'm going to put a 0 right above the 3. But then you say, can 6 go into 37? And the answer is yes. All right, I know that 6 can go into 37 6 times. All right? So 6 times 6 is 36. And then to get the remainder, I'm going to subtract them. So 37 take away 36 is 1. And now I'm going to bring down the 2. And now we say, can 6 go into 12? And the answer is yes. It can go in exactly 2 times. And 6 times 2 is 12 with a remainder of 0. So our answer is 62. All right. Let's do another one. All right, now this time we're dividing 768 by 24. All right, so again, the 24 is the divisor, and the 768 is the dividend. All right, and this time we have a 2-digit number instead of a 1. All right, so we first got to say, can 24 go into 76? Okay, and let's see, 24, I like to go over here. So 24 times 2 is 48. All right. And if I add another 24 to it, we get a 12, we get 72. So I know that 24 can go into 76 3 times. All right. So 3 times 24 is 72 with a remainder of 4. Okay. Now I'm going to bring down the 8. And now I need to say, can 24 go into 48? And it does. It goes in exactly 2 times. And 2 times 24 is 48. And when you subtract 48 from 48, you get 0. And our final answer is just 32. And there it is. All right. So good job taking notes, and good luck with the rest of the problems. Have a great day.